Hey, where are you?
I'm right over here. After all, our condo isn't that big. What do you need?
Well, why don't you come on by and we'll start a video.
Well, okay. You're all set up.
Today we want to talk to you about making plans for a trip, things that we've purchased, and things that we've learned from the other trip that we want to change. So stay tuned as we plan for a trip to Florida this coming January. Hi, I'm Wade.
And I'm Lorraine.
And we are on the off-ramp.
Thanks for joining us. Hope you're subscribed and hit the like button. We love it that you come and join us for our videos. This video will feature some of our concerns about we've had on our last trip and what we're doing to rectify that. So stick with us to find out some of the things you could do on one of your RV trips, right?
That's right. So here's some of the changes we've made. Okay, so one of the first purchases we made was some walkie-talkies that Lorraine found at Costco.
And you know, the reason we were looking for these is that we're probably going to be in areas in Florida without cell service. And Wade goes on hikes, and we don't, we want to be able to keep in touch with each other.
These are supposed to have a range of about 56 miles. That'd be just over 80 kilometers. So we will also be traveling with some friends while we're on a trip in Florida as well. So we're hoping that this will help us keep in contact with each other, that we don't have to use our cell phones.
Yeah, with that whole Canadian-US cell phone plans, it's not that easy to always set that all up. We have got a plan for it. We're not sure if our friends do, and if we're out of cell service anyway, this will be the trick.
That's right.
We hope it works.
Yeah.
Hope it was a good investment.
So that was one of our first investments. And like you said, like hiking and biking, I'm often gone on my own. So if the gators are chasing me, then I can let her know the gators are chasing me.
Yeah. I'll just check our insurance plan then.
Yeah, it's paid up. Yeah. The insurance is just there, so if they locate the body, it's easier to collect. One of the things we learned from our last trip was that we did spend a lot of money on camping, probably more than we expected.
Yes, actually.
We didn't boondock as much as we thought we would.
And some of the RV parks were pretty pricey.
In fact, we found one RV park now in Florida that was $200 a night.
Yeah,
which we're not staying there, but I mean that's
not in our budget.
No.
That's not how we camp.
No. So to boondock, of course, we need power. I have a CPAP machine which I need to run at nighttime, but we also want to keep our phones charged, our computers and iPads, and
and we do have an onboard generator, and we don't mind using it, but it is noisy, and we want to be respectful. Some parks actually have such limited hours you can use it, and so we did invest in this.
Yeah, we found a Black Friday deal with Jackery, and we purchased the Jackery Explorer 500, and we also have the Jackery 100 solar panels, so we can charge it with solar power as well too. We can charge it with solar or with 12 volt while we're driving, or if we're plugged into shore power, we can just plug it into our electrical system to charge it as well too. So,
and if you know Wade and I, sometimes we do impulse purchases, but this was a lot of homework. We watched lots of other people's videos about what supports a CPAP, and that was probably one of the reasons we didn't boondock as much when we were in our last trip. We didn't do enough of that, no electricity, no water, kind of camping. So even some campgrounds we'd be able to stay at, but if it didn't have electricity, it was hard for us to choose it.
That's right. So this will give us that extra power that we need just to keep us up to speed with all of the things that we have to to pay for, or not to pay for, but to charge in that. So
now this is the place where other people who are sponsored by Jackery would go, yes, but we are not.
We are not sponsored by Jackery,
but if they want to.
Yeah, if you're Jackery, if you are watching,
we'll let you know how this works for us.
You can call us.
Yeah, call us. Yeah, we'll let you know how this works for us. We're kind of really curious about what kind of a load it'll take, and even though we've done all the studying, it'll be good for us to try it, and we'll let you know in future videos. Yeah,
we should be able to give you a lot of information after the next 2 months of travel. One of the next things we purchased, so we've been hearing about all the bugs in Florida. And we were watching one video yesterday, and this poor mom was just totally bit up by
the no-see-ums, which are mostly on the beaches.
And the sand flies.
Yeah,
So...
And I react quite badly. I mean, I can live with the bites. In fact, you can't even feel the bites, but a day later, I'll be covered in blisters from them. So that's probably my biggest thing that I'm kind of nervous about on this trip. I'm not worried about the alligators or anything else. It's the no-see-ums.
It's the same. By the way, we bought Thermacell. We are not sponsored by Thermacell.
Again, call us.
Thermacell, if you're watching.
Yeah.
We've been using them for a few years now already. A friend of ours got us onto them.
They work.
We actually met him at Canadian Tire, and he said, "Here, this is what you got to get," and they work
They
wonderfully.
use it for their backyard for, local Manitoba mosquitoes, and you've heard about those.
Yeah.
So this is going to be, well, we've got, what here, 24 times 3, so we got almost 3 months worth. Should last us.
Yeah, we have 72 test strips here, or I mean, not
Oh,
test
no,
strips.
it's not 24 hours. It's 24 hours, not 24
Oh,
pieces.
there's only 6 mats per box. Oh, so we only have 18.
Yeah, we might end up buying more.
Yeah, we may end up buying more.
But they really do a very good job.
Yeah, we have used them in the past, and we are used to Manitoba's mosquitoes, but we also know we don't like Manitoba mosquitoes either.
But we didn't want to get stuck traveling and not being able to find them, especially because we're going to be driving shoulder season. The local, like Canadian Tire in Canada wouldn't be have these on the shelves right now.
No.
So this was another one of those Amazon orders.
Or online, anyway.
Oh, online. Yeah, sorry. Online orders.
Okay.
Okay, this is fun. This is not a must-have, but, maybe an impulse buy, perhaps.
On some of our previous videos, you may have seen me on the ground, on my knees, blowing into the bottom of the fire pit, trying to get the fire going.
Try to get that wet wood burning.
So Lorraine found these expandable bellows.
They just look like a car antenna.
Yeah, and they're this long, so what, maybe 24 inches, not quite 18
not
inches.
quite 18 inches,
18,
maybe.
20 inches, something like that. But you blow in the one end, either this end or that end. I don't think it matters.
But it doesn't really matter, but either.
This will be targeted.
Yeah, I guess so. So you'll still have to get pretty close to the fire.
Yeah.
It's not that long. I'm surprised that they don't make it a bit longer, but we're going to see how they work. We'll let you know. Well, how many did we buy? 6?
Oh, yeah, but that's
Not
secret,
because
though.
we need 6. It's
No.
we
It came in a pack of 6.
It came in a pack of 6. And if you are a friend or a family, you may be getting one if you're watching this video. But
But
we
won't tell you.
bought a few extras.
Yeah. So this is going to help us with keeping fires going as well, too. And just one of those easy little things to
We'll
purchase.
see. We'll make sure we put it in a video and see if it actually works.
Yeah, we'll let you know.
We'll let you know.
Whoops, I guess I got to put that in all the way. There we go.
What do we think we'll lose first? The cap, the case, the...
Oh, no, I'm not losing anything there. Okay.
What
so
else?
when we're boondocking, when you live van life or when you travel with a van, your van is your main vehicle. So you may find yourself parking in your camp spot and then going, oh, let's go do some exploring or let's
Or
go...
we need to get some groceries now.
Yeah, or let's go find a hiking trail, which may be a bit of a ride away or something. So we purchased an expandable traffic cone.
Again, we'll have to show you in a video how we're going to use these. But the idea is we bought 2 of them.
Right.
And somehow we'll attach a sign between the 2 of them that's going to probably say something like this space is occupied, or what we don't want is
Just out exploring.
so
something.
that others that are coming into the campground and are choosing sites don't see our lawn chairs or our stuff sitting out there and go, oh, somebody forgot their stuff behind.
That's right.
Or somebody's not in this site or whatever, even if we pack everything away. So our plan is to put this out and a sign and saying this site's occupied, or hey, we're out exploring, see you later. I don't know. We haven't decided what the sign is.
Yeah.
I have a Cricut machine, if you know what that is, and it's going to make a nice sign for us. We'll hang it on these and...
Yeah, just to let people know that the sites are still occupied and that there are actually campers living there, but we're just out exploring. So it even comes with its own little beacon light. So
we have not experienced theft in any of our campgrounds.
no, we find that in most cases campers
Yeah.
are very, very respectful. When we were stopped, we camped at Rincon Parkway in California for
Yeah. Oh, that
3
was fun.
nights. But there we were told, actually at nighttime, to bring your bicycles inside your RV. Now we have no room in the van, so
And we have heavy duty chains.
we have a heavy duty chain, and I chained them right to our actual wheels. I chained them to the wheels.
But I think we left our lawn chairs out.
Yeah,
against the
yeah,
van.
we put them underneath the van and that. But so
Yeah, we haven't experienced that, but I guess if somebody wants to steal our pylons as well as all of our stuff, I guess that could happen. But you know what? We don't live in that kind of fear.
Yeah.
We kind of just hope that, you know, and
Most people are respectful.
yeah.
So.
So if we have to pull over on the side of the road, I guess this is good to use too. It's got a little flashing light.
It's reflective and
Yeah.
and
So who knows? Maybe it'll just be take up space.
so those are just some of the purchases that we've made extra for this trip specifically to help us do what we want to do. We found that when we camped or when we were out on the last trip, we ate at too many restaurants as well.
Yeah.
So with the boondocking, we want to make sure that we're stocked up on groceries and that
cook a little more
Yeah,
at
we
the
cook
campsite.
more. Hopefully, we'll have a bit warmer weather this year than we had last year, and it'll give us a chance to really enjoy the outdoors. Take the time if you like these videos, please take the time to subscribe to our channel. That it helps us to grow our channel and to reach others.
Hit the bell so you get notifications.
Yeah, ring the bell. You get notifications whenever a new video comes up. We won't be going every week for the next few weeks because, well, you just don't want to see us winter life in a condo. So,
What we want is for you to follow us as we go on our Florida trip and give us suggestions as to where we could go. We have booked 14 days solid with our friends that are renting a van. Now, before those 14 days and after those 14 days, in probably about a 3 or 2.5 month period, we actually haven't made a lot of plans.
no, we're going to work on our route, and we'll share more of that as we get further on those details. But the route and some of the stops we'll be making and what we want to see, and with the friends that we'll be traveling with, you'll get to meet them when we get together in Florida. Yeah. But we are planning on heading. We have some reservations made in Florida Keys as well too. So we'll be camping right down. We've both never been to the Florida Keys, so we're excited about that.
Yeah.
So leave comments if you know of things that we should be doing or things we should be seeing. Please leave comments for us as well too.
We're wide open. I mean, we've watched lots of videos.
Oh, yeah.
And we have some places that we think we want to hit. But if you have any suggestions, that'd be great.
Yeah.
One thing you know about us is we like to hold our plans loosely. So thanks for watching. Join us on our adventure.